Right now we're at the railway crossing on Drinkwater Road in Duncan, and here's the first signal. It has a Western Cullen Hayes base, and the lights are Western Cullen Hayes 12x20" lights with Harman fading LEDs, and we're on a Western Cullen Hayes junction box. And I'm gonna cross the road to this signal. Here's this signal. It has a Western Cullen Hayes base. More Western Cullen Hayes 12x20" lights with more Harman fading LEDs. And we're on another Western Cullen Hayes junction box. And this signal has a bell, and it's a Western Cullen Hayes electronic bell. Not sure what type. And here's the relay case right here. Yeah. So yeah, that was the Drinkwater Road railroad crossing in Duncan. So yeah, thanks for watching.